getting a much.
Fresh one.
The MSC Supplier Profile Series, sharing innovations in safety.
Oh yeah, gotta get these gloves.
Gotta get these gloves. Hi, I'm Rebecca, a Category Strategy Manager at MSC. And today, we're here at Worldwide Protective, a manufacturer of gloves, sleeves, and garments. We're gonna check out their state-of-the-art knitting facility. Hey, Jeff, nice to see you.
Hey guys, nice to see you too. Welcome to Worldwide. Hey, would you guys like to go out to the factory floor for a little tour?
Sure.
Awesome. What really got me excited to work here and want to come to Worldwide was the fact that we can develop new yarns that had different properties in them and then make them into new products, which is really exciting, especially when you see a new item, start off from the yarn concept, develop into the actual product, you do all the testing, and then when it finally starts to sell, it's an amazing feeling. So at this facility, as you can see, we have 400 plus knitting machines that can make anywhere from 7 to 10 gauge gloves, gauge being the thickness of the glove. We can also produce arm protection, which is sleeves that go all the way up your arm. So we specialize in cut levels A2 through A9. We also have engineers on staff that have textile backgrounds that can help us develop new products and new yarns. And over here is where we head into our main knitting floor. It's where most of our industrial gloves are made. And this is Jacob Stinson, who is our R&D engineer. He'll be giving you the tour of the plant. Have a great time in the facility, ask him all the questions you want, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks, guys, and I leave you in good hands.
So this is our knitting floor. We have the largest American glove manufacturing facility in the country. We run about 400 to 450 knitting machines, 3 shifts, 5 to 6 days a week. You can kind of see we have it split up into our 13 gauge thinner ones down here, moving into our 10 gauge in the middle. And on the
one thing really exciting and great about Worldwide is the fact that we basically built this business on customization.
As it's going through, you're gonna have it knit all of your fingers, first palm into your thumb, second palm, and then finish out with the cuff.
We take our standard products and we can do anything that you really want them. Talk about a reinforced thumb crotch. We can change the length of the cuff on the glove. We can put leather on the glove. We can put certain types of PVC coatings on the glove, dots or a webbing type of pattern. So whatever you guys can really think of, we can do it for you.
How many gloves does this machine make, like every minute?
Depending on the size of the glove, smalls are going to be a little quicker than large, but you're looking every 2 to 3 minutes or so, you're spitting out a glove.
The big problem with safety products or PPE in general is if they're uncomfortable, if they don't fit right, people tend not to wear them, and that's how accidents happen.
So what I'm going to be showing you guys now, this is going to be a 10 gauge machine as opposed to...
MSC is one of our biggest partners out there, and the director of category management, Anthony Testa, came to me about 6 months ago and said, I have an application where the customer is not using a glove because it's so hot in the facility, but they're constantly getting cut and burned. So thinking together, my team and I really went back and we figured out really what Anthony could use for this customer. So he said I needed it to basically protect against sparks and heat. I would like something that's cooling for them that would actually allow them to wear a glove. And they needed thin gloves and they needed dexterity and grip. So at the end of the day, we came up with a 13 gauge glove that had a stay cool plating in it, which is our wicking material that helps cool down your hand, as well as we put a web pattern on there that gave them grip and abrasion. And we were able to get them cut levels all the way up from A2 to A6, all in a 13 gauge glove. Very exciting.
All right, so this is pretty cool. So this is gonna be our 10 gauge machine, but what's cool about it is that we're using an upwound or a composite yarn.
Upwinding is a process when we take several different types of finished yarns and we combine them together in a winding process, and we wrap them so we can create even more cut resistance. So you take inherently cut resistant materials and you put them together to make an even stronger cut-resistant yarn. You're able to put really strong fibers in the core, like fiberglass or stainless steel. You're going to be looking more in A6s, A7s, rather than your, 2s and 3s and 4s of aramid. So these are going to be really popular in the food processing industry, as well as some heavy industrial type applications where you need that really, really stiff cut protection.
Yeah.
We're constantly looking at new yarn development, looking at new product development, trying to make it the highest cut, the lightest and most comfortable glove or sleeve or garment that is in the industry.
All right, now that I've shown you guys some of our more standard industrial knitting, we can go on into the next room. I can show you something really cool and innovative in our cloth cover room.
Cool. Awesome.
Go. So here is going to be our showroom. This is kind of a great representation of what we're able to do here at Worldwide. I didn't get a chance to show you guys, but here are some of our garments. We make these using our upwound yarns that we do in Syntex. Really popular in the glass industry, really high cut. And then you can kind of see some of the stuff we saw when we were out on the floor. We saw the 13 gauges as well as the claw covers and some of the heavy duty 7 gauge. And then here is going to be an example of some of our coated product as well as our dipped offering.
Awesome. Jacob, thank you so much for the tour today. It was an amazing manufacturing facility and it's extremely innovative, and thank you for partnering with MSC.
Yeah, thank you guys for coming.
That was awesome. Thanks so much to Jeff, Jacob, and the entire Worldwide team. Today we got to see how they manufacture their gloves, sleeves, and garments, how they create proprietary yarns using their upwinding machines. For more information about this and more PPE, please visit mscdirect.com/bettermro.
Connect, optimize, and innovate at mscdirect.com/bettermro.
EMB.com.